Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to unlock Face ID with mask. Yeah, with the same photo. Yes, use mask can be unlock the phone. Yes, so my phone is iPhone 12 Pro Max and iOS 14.5. Yeah, 14.5. Now try together with me. Okay, now go to setting and then go to Face ID and password, include your password, and then you see this, you scroll down. Yeah, unlock with Apple Watch. Yeah, Apple Watch here. Yeah, use the circle connects to your Apple Watch to use unlock the phone when a mask prevent Face ID from recognizing your face. Yeah, when you use mask you can unlock with your Apple Watch. Yeah, okay, now and turn on and click this and turn on. Yeah, when you turn on already, you check your Apple Watch, go to setting. Yeah, go to setting and then password, and you make sure unlock with iPhone. Yeah, unlock with iPhone and simple password is turned on. Okay, now let's start together. Okay, now I'm already installed to my phone. Yeah, go to setting already and set up already. Yeah, I have Apple Watch and my phone from iPhone 8 to iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yes, my phone iPhone 12 Pro Max and version iPhone 14.5. Yes, I'm already set up with my phone. Yes, let's try together. So I use my mask. Okay, you see. Okay, let's try. Okay, you see. Good. Again. One more. Okay, it's good. Okay, thank you everyone, hope you guys like, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.